boys and girls, how to remove a Jeep Compass stereo. I got myself like a drywall knife, plastic, and you just find a nice spot in here that you can kind of pop this thing off. Okay, there we go. Okay. So what you want to do is pop this thing off, your face plate, and behind it there is going to be a little green tab here. Just pull it out and your face will be off. Okay. And with this system here, couple Starhead screwdriver. Okay. Okay, I'll get those other screws off the floor in a second. Okay, just give that a little pull forward. And what you're going to do is, there's some connectors in the back, and what you want to do is just pull them out. Bang. That's how you take off your stereo. Take out your stereo, your factory stereo from your Jeep Compass. Okay. Now, why I'm doing this is this factory stereo, the transmitter for the radio keeps on cutting in and out for some specific reason. So I just purchased another one off of Marketplace, so for a few dollars, so no biggie. I'm just gonna replace it. So give me a second, I'll go get the other one that I have. This is a 2013 I'm taking out, factory stereo, and I'm replacing with a 2014 factory stereo. Replacing junk with junk. Junk. Okay, be right back. Junk. Maybe they're different. Okay.
You've got the music in you.